Dalhin Suk. Sis.
Size XL.
Size medium.
Medyo
malaki.
Yo, what's up sa mga besties? For today's ride, we're going to wear our no helmet, no ride jersey. 2 riders from Adlea and Good Idea, and 3 of us here from SIF area. From SIF area, we're heading to Budaya to meet 4 riders. Ha? Iniwan na. Supposed to be meron sana sasamang 2 riders, but since tawag nga ng trabaho, they have to do overtime, so pass muna sila for now.
Sir, saan kayo mamimingwit, sir?
Saan na tayo? Last Budaya muna?
Saan kayo mamimingwit, sir?
Last Budaya tayo na para makakain daw na.
Oh, Last Budaya na lang muna.
Mukhang marami kayo huli, sir, ngayong gabi. Iyaw na natin sa Las Budaya.
So we have decided to go to Las Budaya to eat some sandwiches first bago mag-proceed sa next route. As you can see, by the way, all of us are wearing helmet. Maliban sa isa yan sa rule that you have to have a helmet before you can ride with best, we want to be a model for every rider. Since 2019, bago pa man nabuo ang best, up to now, we are already implementing this rule to ourselves and continuously to inspire others to protect themselves by wearing helmet. So what are the other ways to remind riders to wear their helmet? We come up to an idea to put it in our jersey, like what we have now. Studies have shown that wearing a helmet reduces a risk of serious brain injury and death. Most of the impact is absorbed by the helmet. It is important to wear a helmet whether in the street, in the driveway, in the paved area, or in the footpath. By wearing helmet, you are more visible at night. It can provide some protection as well from the elements. Riders who wear helmet set a good example for kids and for the community. We have reached Las Budaya, so from here, naamoy mo na yung mga grilled items and yung mga in-offer nila. We are here now at Las Budaya. Ayan. Oh, ayan na nga, humabol na si Michael. Ayan, nakarating na rin. So we're done here mga besties, and we're going to Salman City. Time now is past 3 AM, so mag-uumaga na. As you can see, wala masyadong sasakyan sa daan, wala kang nakakasalubong or halos wala kang makasabay dahil mag-uumaga na nga. So it's a perfect time to test your speed, but syempre dun sa tamang kalsada. We'll do it later. When speeding up, there's a lot of things needs to be considered, like gaano ka ka-familiar dun sa kalsada, gaano ka layo yung hump para sa next hump, gaano ka fine yung road, and kung gaano ka rami ang sasakyan dumadaan sa time limit. And now we are approaching the bridge going to Salman City. Usually, nag-stop muna kami sa bridge before going to Salman City. So, magkukulitan muna, mag-take pictures, and we'll have some fun of course. And minsan, may mga nabubuong random na unforgettable at nakakatawang moments.
Ibang kanta yan ah.
Dito na may pagi pa pag
Oo. High tide lang ngayon. May pagi nga dyan nung last.
last time, no? Nasa ang pagi.
So everyone loved their jersey, the no helmet no ride jersey. Lahat nagpi-pictures and may nabuong kakulitan video. And here it goes.
Lagyan mo ng music.
Hindi, lakad muna tayo.
Hindi, sabay na.
Kaya ganun na yan. Okay, sige.
Babanta. Sige, 1, 2, kamay. 1, 3, go.
Go.
1, 2, 3. Ulit.
Hindi, lagyan nyo ng tunog kasi.
Mali.
Ay, maganda na ito. Here comes the boom. Here comes the boom. Ready or not.
Para pag gano'n, hindi lalabas yung kamay dyan. Sige, 1, 2, 3, papasok ka. 1, 3, go. Lolo.
Mga pala si Aziz. Andito kami ngayon sa Salman City.
Ayun, tapos na nga ang kulitan. So let's proceed to the ride. Let's hit the road. For the speed test and for the proper timing, we are very familiar with this road. Gear yourself up and let's enjoy the stretch of this road. The road is clear, kaya yan, pwede tayo mag-speed up for now. So we just hit the first hump and in few meters, meron na namang isang hump. So dapat familiar ka sa dinadaanan mo, lalo na sa mga obstacles, dapat clear ang road. And napaka-clear ng kalsada. As you can see, in front of me is Last Man Standing and KC1. Dapat no switching of side pag nag-speed up kayong group. Just stay in your place and enjoy the flow. Some scooters already have steering damper. That steering damper can help the scooter to become stabilized whenever you speed up. So, pag wala namang steering damper ang scooter mo, you can add that on. So, meron tayong shop here in Bahrain. That is the Little Souk, that it's like a one-stop shop that they have everything. So check that out. You don't have to go anywhere. They are here in Bahrain.
Harap, no?
Oo. Nanginginig ka?
Ako wala din, nagawin ko.
Saan tayo dito tayo, di ba? Ah, hindi.
Hindi, diretso.
Diretso pa. Dito yung pabalik natin.
Sarap, no? Oo, kasi nakakatakot. Nakakatakot pag mabilis eh. Eh, hindi naalalayan ko lang kayo.
Nanginginig si Tito Noli. Ang iiwasan lang naman dito yung humps. Yung okay lang sana kung yung humps na pwede mong talunan.
Oo, yan nga.
May flat sa taas eh.
Now we are done here. Papunta na tayo sa exit ng Salman City. Ayan, maraming humps pa rin dito, but one thing that I really love here is yung reflectors. Ang dami. And napaka-fine ng road. May kaliitan nga lang ang kalsada, but that's fine. Hindi pwedeng mag-overtake, of course. Pero papunta naman sa dulo is lumalapad na ng lumalapad yung daanan. May mga roundabout din para continuous lang ang flow ng mga sasakyan. from here, ayan, magiging 2 lanes na siya. So, this is the right chance na makapag-overtake na yung mga nagpa-plan mag-overtake from the backside. This part of Salman City, by the way, is napakagandang tambayan. Maganda yung view, may dagat, makikita mo yung moon. From this location also, makikita mo yung perfect sunrise to your left side and the perfect sunset on your right side. So, saan ka pa? Kompleto na.
Ako nga pala si Aziz at nandito kami ngayon sa Paliko, sa Bodega. Parating na ang aking mga kasama at nandyan sila. Ang lamig nga ng hangin, di ba? Hindi ko...
Mamaya pag daan natin doon, malamig yung hangin. Doon malapit sa kila Kuya Jun.
Ay, yung maraming puno.
Oo.
Hey, what's up? What's up, what's up?
What ups? Hey, what ups? Next. Sige, mauna na kayo. Ha? Mauna na kayo ha, Jobs. Bato-bato pick. Bato-bato pick.
Oh. Doon ka na, sasip, pang-charge. Abot yan, gear 2 ka lang. Huwag ka na mag-gear 3, gear 3.
Hindi, abot ko yan. 46 pa eh.
Kaya nga, pero gear 2 ka
45
lang.
yung lobat niya eh. So, pag...
May isa pa, abot pa yan.
Nagkakalokohan na dito, ano?
Wala yan.
Wala.
Basta ako, wala na ako mamaya.
Iwas kasi dito.
Hindi, yung ngiti ni Noli, alam ko na yun. Parang ano, meron dyan, meron. Kasama natin ba?
Ha?
Kasama natin. Mag-ingat kayo ha.
Sige na, sama ka na sa kanila.
Mag-ingat kayo ha.
Tayo pa. Huwag niyong kalimutan yung ano nyo, MTV. Sige, bye-bye. Nagkayayaan na talaga eh. Ingat!
So, yun na nga, pulasa na. 4 riders is going back to safe area and other riders are going to stay with Sam muna. We have so much fun. Ayun, kulitan pa rin. Kaya ayaw pa muna umuwi ng ibang riders. So, ipagpapatuloy pa nila yung kulitan doon kila Sam. And for us, we have to go home. And for the next ride, hopefully we have more riders to come. New riders as well. And new fun, new kulitan, new route to explore. Ang hindi lang new is ang rule natin to wear our helmet every ride. Speed ride man yan, short ride or long ride, you have to protect yourself at all times. So, yun, we keep on reminding everyone that's wear our helmet every ride. Always keep in mind that wearing your helmet and your protective gears makes you feel more comfortable and more confident during the rides. Alhamdulillah, riding with Best for more than 3 years, we haven't experienced any major injuries because we are trying to protect ourselves at all times. So why take risk? Gear up, join us, and let's explore Bahrain together.
Sama pa kayo?
Oh, inom tayo na ano,
Teka lang.
tubig. Bakit? Hi, Pads. How are you? Cold store muna tayo.
Saan cold store ba?
Diyan, sa ano? Trolley.
Wala ding ilaw yun. Hindi makita.
Dito na si Jan. Dito si Jan. Tayo kaliwa tayo. Dito tayo. Wait lang. Ano, dyan ka na. Sige, ingat.
Speed and range is just a number. what really matter is the moments that we have enjoyed together. Let's explore Bahrain and meet new cool friends along the way. Helmets on and see you on the road. Keep safe, guys.